How can you get a no contact order dropped? When you're arrested in Texas, there are two types of no contact orders that the judge could put into place. One of those is an emergency protective order. That type of protective order is going to last for about a month or two, so it's going to have a certain deadline. And generally, it's going to prevent you from having any contact with people, specific people, usually the victims of a case, sometimes the victim's family. And oftentimes it's also going to prevent you from going to that victim's house or their job or somewhere like that. The other type of no contact order is just a no contact as a condition of bond. So when you get put on bond, the judge can put certain bond restrictions in place, and one of those is that no contact order. That no contact as a condition of bond is going to last as long as the case lasts. So until your case is dismissed, it goes to trial, or until you decide to accept a plea agreement, that no contact order is going to last that entire time. There are things that we can do to try and change those no contact orders. Ultimately, it's up to the judge to decide whether or not to make a change to either of those no contact orders. The first thing we need to do is find out what that alleged victim wants to have happen, because if they want that no contact order in place, then the judge is not going to change it. First, we're going to need basically permission from them to give to the court to show that no contact order should be changed. And from then we can file motions with the court. First we'll have to talk with the prosecutor and hopefully get them on board once we show that the victim doesn't want that no contact order in place. And then from there, we've got to approach the judge and show the judge why this no contact order should be changed. Some of the times, if there's no criminal history, if the complaining witness or victim is on board with it, and if we can convince the state, then it may be relatively easy to change depending on the judge. Other judges are going to be a lot less likely to make changes to those no contact orders, and may put a lot of additional conditions on any contact that you may be able to have with that alleged victim. If you have any questions about this, or if you're being charged with a crime in San Antonio, my info's in my bio. I'd be happy to answer any questions you put in the comments. Have a great day.